All right, hello once again. This is my assignment number, app number 3 on mini assignment number 3. The web-based application that I'm going to present here is from a website called keybr.com. As with all the others so far, it is free. This one does not even require any subscription or a profile to sign up with. It's actually incredibly basic. But the premise here is really the same. It allows you to get a gauge of your typing skills and your typing abilities. This is something that could be utilized once again for anyone from more basic typists all the way up to people that would be older of age, maybe trying to see who the best or the fastest typer in the school is. Could even be utilized by adults that want to see who the best typer on the staff is, things like that. I say that because uh, we've actually had competitions like that, so there is a sometimes a rhyme or reason for it. Again, the audience here could be utilized by coworkers that just want to practice on their own, but generally this is really more for actual typing courses. As far as IST standards, we're looking at 5.4D and 3.3D in terms of utilization of the technology and as educational leaders once again. So just a very quick, I'm not going to have time to do all of it, but again, it just gives you basic text rather, that you can type up, and then it goes through. And the great thing I like about this one is it does show you, as you see down here, it shows you the keyboard to give you an idea. Not that you wouldn't already know, hopefully, but it does give you a orientation of where your keys should be as you're typing them, because you never know. I do have students that, especially at the 6th or 7th grade levels, they're not familiar with the layout of the keyboard and what keys should be going where. I always like to emphasize muscle memory with their fingers on the keyboard, and by showing the actual keyboard, sometimes that helps to make that happen. So this is the third application, and thank you again for watching.